Hello everyone, my name is Manas. Welcome to another OpenObserve video. We'll talk logs today. Before that, picture this. You have an e-commerce app running. The traffic is spiking and suddenly checkout starts failing. You jump into your logs, go ahead and run query, and you're immediately hit by a wall of text. Millions of lines spanning across currency, product catalog, shipping, etc. The root cause is in there somewhere, but right now you don't even know what query to write because you don't know what you're looking for. Today I'm going to show how OpenObserve log patterns flips this upside down. So you don't have to guess what went wrong, and instead of filtering or writing queries, we just click on the patterns tab. Once you do that, in background, OpenObserve is using its algorithmic clustering to automatically group identical log structures together and stripping out the dynamic variables such as IP addresses or UIDs. We have a constant part, and then there are these placeholders for these dynamic variables. And because it uses temporal sampling, so it scans tens of thousands of representative logs across your time window in milliseconds. And this does not impact your performance at all. Let's look at this pattern here. If you look closely, 43% of our logs are just this log pattern. This contributes to across 1420 log lines, get calls for your card endpoint, this specific endpoint. And this is practically noise. When the system is broken, I do not care about 1400 successful card pings. I need to know what's wrong. Because OpenObserve clustered all your noise at the top, the anomalies that forced at the bottom. So if you look at these tag in orange, there's a rare pattern here. If we go ahead and look into this specific pattern, we'll understand that out of all the services, we have a pattern which is occurring less than 1%. And Kafka is throwing this offset error and aggressively deleting the segment files. And this is why our checkouts are failing. Our message broker is silently dropping the state under the hood. Think about how powerful this is. I didn't search for Kafka. I didn't search for offset breach. I didn't write a single complex query. Log patterns analyze the shape of my application's behavior and handed me this on my plate. And it's real value. It's not just a UI trick. It's about drastically reducing the mean time to resolution and taking the load off your engineering team during an incident. And not just looking at these log patterns, you can always go ahead and try to filter across these log patterns. If you feel like, you can also directly create an alert on top of any of these patterns. So there is a button to create an alert from this pattern. The moment you click on this, it's going to redirect you to the alert configuration page. Here, you'll already have the data source and the alert type selected for you. Once you go ahead and continue, the SQL query or the alert condition that is pre-filled as well. So this saves a lot of time. Check out the links in description to try log patterns and other cool features in OpenObserve. Thanks for watching and happy debugging.